Rainy days like this. There's something comforting about slow days, warm food, and plants. I like to start with something simple, a bowl of hot arroz caldo and a cup of freshly brewed coffee. Sometimes it's atok, sometimes sagada or barlig. And I remember my friend Ilarni bringing linaput from Bizao. It's just a perfect pair with brewed coffee. It just completes the day. But while we're enjoying all this warmth, our plants are dealing with something else. Too much rain, too much moisture, and before you know it, root rot. So today, I'll share a simple rainy season hack. How charcoal helps me protect my plants, especially my Amber Begonia. So here's my rule. There's one important step. You have to wash it first because raw charcoal can have dust, ash, and fine particles. And if you skip this step, it can actually compact your soil or affect drainage. So I rinse it well with water until it's clean. Then I let it drain before mixing it in. I don't always use expensive materials. I use what is available where I am, as long as it's clean and properly burned. It works. Using charcoal in soil, also known as biochar, improves water retention, hosts beneficial microbes, and locks in nutrients. But more importantly, during rainy season, it absorbs excess moisture, prevents root rot, and keeps the soil fresh. Each ingredient has a purpose. Coco peat holds moisture but keeps the mix light and airy. Organic matter, like dried leaves and cow manure, feeds the plant slowly and improves soil life. It's like giving your plant natural nutrition. Pumice, it creates air pockets so roots can breathe even in wet conditions. And a little regular soil. It adds stability and helps anchor the plant. And finally, charcoal. It balances everything: moisture, airflow, and cleanliness of the soil. Now, I am transplanting my Amber Begonia very gently because this plant is sensitive. I keep the mix loose, never compact. Keep in bright, indirect light, enough to glow but never burn. Let the topsoil dry first before watering again. But in rainy season, I seldom water because the environment is already humid. If the soil is still moist, don't water. Overwatering is the fastest way to kill this begonia. And look at this, amber leaves and dark charcoal. It makes even more sexy and fiery. Amber plus charcoal together is not just healthy, it's alive. So this rainy season, don't fight the weather, work with it. For me, charcoal changed everything. It protects, balances, and supports my plants. Especially delicate ones like this Amber Begonia. And sometimes the simplest materials, even what's available around us, are the most powerful. Oh, I just love to collect begonias. I am fascinated with those leaves, those colorful leaves, structures, lines. I just love them. So, from my garden to yours, stay warm, especially this rainy season. Stay growing, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Tiinog kabasan mo wan. Pan-like kayo, pan-comment, pan-subscribe kayo.
Kahit anong tanim, kahit anong simula, basta't may tiyaga, laging may mapapala. It's not just about the soil or the sun up above. Dito sa Home Garden Remedies by Hardiner ang nanay, we share the secrets of a life that's bright and sunny. Always remember as we watch the leaves above, we believe that all plants grow with love. Lunti ang lunas, lunti ang buhay. Home Garden Remedies, keep growing with love. Basta't may tiyaga, laging may mapapala. It's not just about the soil or the sun up above. Dito sa Home Garden Remedies by Hardiner ang nanay, we share the secrets of